Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to silicone your bath like a pro. What I like about this silicone, it is designed for tubs, it is mold resistant silicone, make sure that your silicone is non-paintable. Cut the tip of the silicone tube at a 45-degree angle. Now it is time to apply silicone and just simply fill the gap with the product and apply steady pressure to the trigger on the Coke gun. As you can see, I have an even amount of silicone in the gap. And now I can smooth the silicone to form a concave shape and press it softly into the seam using your finger. And I want to give you a little trick. If you want your caulk or silicone to be as smooth as possible, use warm water. Simply dip your finger into the warm water and applying a bit of pressure, push the silicone into the gap. Also prepare paper towels to clean the edges. I clean my fingers every single time when I smooth the silicone. There are a lot of silicones available right now in the stores, and the one I'm using today is ready to be exposed to water in just 30 minutes. So this is the last video of my bathroom remodeling project, and if you didn't watch all my videos, I have a full playlist on my channel called Bathroom Remodeling. So check this out. I have a lot of DIY videos that will help you to remodel your bathroom. I hope that this video will help you. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you don't want to miss my next video, hit the bell notification button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.